In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language and currency settings on GoDaddy. This is a handy skill for anyone who wants to personalize their browsing experience or ensure they're viewing GoDaddy in their preferred language and currency. Let's get started and I'll guide you through each step. First things first, you'll want to open your internet browser and head over to the GoDaddy website. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser. Just type godaddy.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll find a vast array of resources and information at your fingertips. But today, our focus is solely on adjusting those language and currency settings. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Don't get distracted by all that's happening in the middle of the web page. Your destination is the footer section. Here, you might notice various links related to GoDaddy services, company information, and legal resources. Keep an eye out for the language and currency options, which are tucked away in this section. Now you'll see a drop-down menu that lists various language options. Clicking on this menu will reveal a list of languages supported by GoDaddy. Each language appears in its native script, making it easy to find the one you need even if it's not in a language you're familiar with. Take a moment to scroll through and select the language you'd prefer. Once selected, the language on the site will instantly change, providing a more comfortable browsing experience. After setting the language, the next step is equally straightforward, changing the currency. Look for the currency setting near that same drop-down menu. Click on it and you will see a list of available currencies. You can check which one suits you best. This feature ensures you're viewing prices in a way that's most intuitive or relatable to you, which is especially useful if you're managing costs or budgeting for your GoDaddy purchases. GoDaddy is adept at making things easy for users around the world. Changing both the language and currency settings lets you tailor your online interaction, enhancing usability. This makes a big difference, particularly if you're dealing with transactions and want to avoid any confusion about conversion rates. And there you have it, your language and currency preferences are now updated on GoDaddy. Feel free to browse the site with these new settings. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now all set to customize your GoDaddy experience to suit your needs. Have a fantastic day.